why can't we live together? Tell me why, why can't we live together? Everybody wants to live together, why can't we live together? No more wars, no more wars, no more wars. Just a little peace in this world. No more wars, no more wars. All we want is some peace in this world. Everybody wants to live together. Why can't we live together? Still my brother. I said no matter what color, you are still my brother. Everybody wants to live together. Why can't we live together?
When there's lightning, it always brings me down. 'Cause it's free and I see that it's me who's lost and never found. I cry out for magic, I feel it dancing in the light. It was cold, lost my hold to the shadows of the night. No sign of the morning coming, you've been left on your own, like a rainbow in the dark, like a rainbow in the dark. Do your demons, do they ever let you go? 'Cause it's free and I see that it's me who's lost and never found. Feel the magic, feel it floating in the air. But it's fear and you hear it's calling you, beware. There's no sign of the morning coming, there's no sign of the day. You've been left on your own like a rainbow, a rainbow in the dark, like a rainbow in the dark, like a rainbow in the dark, just a rainbow.